support, so I'm glad that, you guys are supporting everything and just came out here to do the same thing. This is an awesome cause.
We're glad to be here. We didn't get a chance to get all our homies, but we definitely wanted to show up and show our love. But our hearts go out to the families over in China. We want to rebuild. So God bless you all. Thank you very much. Keep moving forward. Keep giving them the positive vibes so that they can get through this disaster. So one love for the Jabbawockeez.
So let's get that pilgrimage.
Alright, so one thing I just want to ask you guys since you're here, what's next for you guys? Like, what are the projects you have coming up? We talk about clothing lines, TV shows, movies, what's up?
Definitely you're about to see Jabbawockeez clothing line from our Gatdula KC. Be on the lookout for that. Jabbawockeez.com. We're about to do this America's Best Dance Crew tour. Coming in September, August, September. So, please come and support. It's going to be in all city.
Fish and chips?
We'll let you guys know about what's going on with us, but before we tell you, I really know if you guys even know who we are. We are the Jabbawockeez crew. I didn't know that, we absorbed. They were like, what are these kids? Talking about what they got going on. We got the clothing line. We just got a whole bunch of stuff going on. We got the ABDC tour. We're doing a whole bunch of stuff. Not the big movies and everything. Stop talking about us. Talk about some real issues.
Alright, so trust that you'll be able to support them. You're supporting all of us. Obviously, these are role models for all Asian Americans, all people who love hip-hop culture and everybody who cares about, a good cause. So please give it up one more time for the Jabbawockeez. And, because obviously they're here to show love to the fans, I think you guys are going to do a little meet and greet, right? Alright, so we're going to do a little meet and greet in the reception room very soon. You guys need to sit tight because while we set it up, we're going to bring everybody in sections. So we keep it very organized and very Asian. And we all have order signs. So we're going to do that. I just want to thank everybody who's been involved in this project so far. And in the future, like I told you, it's going to be an ongoing thing. So I want to thank all the sponsors who are involved and everybody who contributed to the gift bags. Mighty Healthy and Staple and Atari Gaming and oh my God, obviously the big sponsors like Ninja and B Magazine and Newsweek. But go on and on and on. You guys have the programs. So I also want to show love to Nancy. Nancy, can you come out here one more time? Where is she? She's shy. She's up there actually setting up the meet and greet with the Jabbawockeez. So I just want to thank her, and we all thank her for just all her blood, sweat, and tears putting this together. And you guys can check me out. What are you trying to do? You guys can check me out every hour on Hot 97 and every night with Home Master Flex and on www.listenable.tv. More importantly, check out www.rebuildingbridge.com.